All right, we got the family here tonight. We're gonna be doing our little 89 Donruss, surprisingly. Actually, not surprisingly. So we're gonna do a little fun thing tonight. So there's 5 of us. There's 36 packs in a deck. We've got 5 piles here. We've got a bonus pile. So we're gonna take each pile is allocated a card number. Everyone's gonna get to draw a card number, whatever number that they draw. There's one number in here that corresponds to a pile. They'll get that stack to open, and then we'll dish out from this deck. We'll keep going until a joker is drawn, and that person gets the extra pack. So, Miss Lily, we're gonna let you draw your first card. Don't look at it yet, though. Mommy, Miles, Avery. All right, everyone, flip.
6. Yes, I got 4 again.
You got 4 again. All right.
6. 3.
So go ahead and take your pile.
My lucky 4.
I'm at 5, Miles. Take that one down. All right.
Okay,
So now we're going.
Place our numbers.
Well, that won't matter now. All right. So now we're going to deal out.
Should we go 2?
Pass me down your 3, Miles.
Should we go 2 through 6? Just
I'm looking for me.
so we remember who's who.
That won't matter because you have your pack in front of you. Okay. So now, first joker gets the extra pack. Miles!
Oh, winner!
Miles gets the extra pack. Alright,
I
go ahead and
can-
float me your cards. Get them out of the way.
2.
Alright, so go ahead. Now, do you remember who we're looking for?
Yep, but no.
Alright,
Randy Johnson. Billy
Yep.
Smoltz.
John Smoltz,
Junior.
Ken Griffey Jr., Kurt Schilling,
Yep.
Craig Biggio. So if you find any of those cards, put them in the middle, and then I'll go through everything. We'll do a recap video at the end. Nice. Set them up there.
Tebow.
Tim Tebow, what?
He said the name wrong.
No, it's Greg Biggio.
No, he said Gadilla.
Then imagine we get a Diamond King, Craig B.
Yeah, Kurt-
Oh, Craig B.
Kurt Schilling, another Biggio already. Wow. 1 pack in practically.
Yeah, we're fire.
On fire.
Oh, and Gary Sheffield is the other one that we're going to be looking for. We've opened 3 boxes. This is our 4th box. We've got 1 more box to open of this. And still no Gary Sheffield.
Okay. Keep them all in one stack, girl.
Figure we might as well do a family break tonight and do something a little bit different, a little fun, get everybody involved.
Yeah. Got it.
There's only so many movies one can watch, or TV programs, or YouTube videos, or
Lots of Andre Dawson's.
yeah. You can pull it. He'd be somebody that would
What's the
pull.
last name of the one we're looking for?
Well, there's several. Gary Sheffield,
Yeah.
Kurt Schilling, Craig Biggio, Ken Griffey Jr., Randy Johnson, John Smoltz.
I know.
Yeah, you can put all your puzzle pieces together. We actually have completed puzzles, so we can actually do that too as something fun. to do.
Sheffield, Gary?
Yep, Gary Sheffield. There he is. He does exist.
Ripken?
Yeah, you can pull him.
Tom.
Another Craig Biggio.
Nice, Kurt Schilling.
Oh, there's the one that looks like a
Goodness
door.
gracious.
I'm keeping the one that looks like a door.
You can,
That's kind of.
who was the player's card? This
It was a Pittsburgh.
Pittsburgh. There was one pitcher that was in the pitching position. He's basically his knees out. He's delivering the ball, and
Alfredo.
Lily's looking through the card. Did you find it again? Oh, that's the same one?
Yeah.
Or same pose. Same pose. Anyway, she's like,
Hold on, Miles.
What did you ask, Lily?
What?
Is this a?
Is this a door?
Yeah, she thought somebody
it's so
that
tiny.
was a dwarf because the card just looked funny. She doesn't typically have anything to do with the cards. That was a funny moment. We didn't catch that one on film, but
Well, now you did.
All right, Miles. What were you saying?
I found Alfredo Griffin and they thought him. Alfredo.
Kurt Schilling.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, we have 3 Bijoux and 3 shillings.
Smoltz. Smoltz.
John Smoltz, good. Lily, put him in the pile.
Okay, this is probably our best
This has been the best box so far. Hopefully we can get that many Griffies for crying out loud. That's who ideally is like the be all end
Greg
all.
Maddox.
Mommy?
Ron Hall. Cassie?
I
No.
haven't been paying that.
Demon Berry.
Is this one?
Ex-Cub.
No.
Yep, he's tough.
A door? Puzzle? I think this is a
Find out tonight, find out.
puzzle.
All
You
right.
down to your final pack already?
Yes.
And there's also ones that people draw. Like that.
Me and Dad are on the same pack.
Oh,
We're both on 3rd.
I'm on my second.
You might help Lily get some of those open so it's easier for her
Is that okay, Will?
No.
Can I help you?
No.
to. She'll get it started for you though. It'll be easier for you. You got little hands.
You put the contest to look through right
These like the ones that Robin has.
All right.
We're gonna have a whole puzzle, I think.
And that's why he always
Keep
wears
going.
gloves.
This is what I used to do as a kid.
Frazier.
I grew up. You guys like your video games, so I sat there.
Well,
Daryl Strawberry.
Strawberry.
He'll be one that I'll pull when I go back through.
I ate strawberry.
we are.
Who got the Griffey Jr. this morning when we opened? Lily did? Alright, Lily. She's our good luck charm.
No, she's not because I got 2 of the cards. I got a Bijou and I got a shilling. And I got the extra pack.
Well, I got the first one.
Doug Jennings? Did you
No.
tell me?
I'm looking at it because I already got it the first time. My little nails came and picked stuff off the table.
Like-
One is not skinny.
This is who
No.
put cards inside the.
You look through my cards.
Okay, these are-
I can open them again. And everybody has to watch mine. I'm opening the last pack.
Is
No.
that true?
Yeah, it is. It is.
We're watching.
I don't believe it.
Yeah, poopa. Go poop.
We have 9.
That's not. Okay.
9.
Come on, continue on, because we want to get through the cards because we're recording that, Lily.
This looks like a dwarf. That's not a. It looks like a
And I'll just
little.
put them.
Miles.
It looks like a little league player or something.
Jose. I found Jose.
Jose.
Jose Canseco? Alright.
Yeah.
Or is it
I also got one.
Is it Jose
You did?
Fontana?
Well, I'll pull that one.
Is Jose Fontana in one of these?
No.
plays?
No, he wasn't playing then. There might be a Carlos Quintana that was playing right around this time, I
The
think.
one I want to Carlos. A jawed one.
Ken Griffey Jr.
Yeah.
Oh, nice!
Bama,
Another one.
Right on the top.
Is that
Bama. On
mine?
top.
Another
Not
one.
bad. Probably won't get too close. I'll do a recap video. But little off center,
I got
little
one
chip on the
that
top left corner.
Another one. Another one.
Mike?
Alright, go ahead and open it up, Miles.
Three.
Just open it up, that's okay.
Really? I'm not watching.
You guys
We don't not watch, just be that way.
All right, keep going, though. Keep going, girl.
after that.
We got to open last time. Jeff Russell. Also Perry. Matt Williams.
You don't need to say
Mike
the
Clark.
cards. You don't need to say the
Who's
cards.
Will Clark?
He'll do one that I pull. He's a player for the San Francisco Giants, or was. He was a
R.C.
good player.
John Sales.
You don't need to say the
Mike
cards.
Brown.
Keep going.
Bobby Vanilla.
Bobby Bonilla?
Wait, Dave Martinez? Isn't he still playing?
No, he's the manager for the Washington Nationals. He was the bench coach for the Cubs for Joe Madden when they won the World Series.
Daddy.
That's the puzzle. That's the picture what the puzzle will be.
Why are there black and white cards?
Is that what we're gonna make?
It's not. You
I don't
can.
think it's a black and white.
That's,
Alright, keep going, look.
Yeah,
Yep.
it's not.
I'll go through. I'm turning this upside down purposely so that I know that I've already looked through.
Boring.
Miles, are you done opening all your packs? Why don't you pass down your cards and I'll,
Want me to
because I'm going to go through them all.
Want me to take those?
I'm going to look through them so I can pull out all the favors and stuff.
Mike. Got it.
Good job, Lil.
Nice job, Lil. We got it, Griffey. So Avery, give us the recap on what we got here in terms of the ones that we were looking for.
Okay, so we got
Now scooch back.
3 shillings.
Scooch back, Miles. Thank you.
We got 3 shillings, 3 Bigios, 1 Sheffield, 1 Cal Ripken, and 1 Griffey.
So who was the player that we didn't get that we were looking for?
Randy Johnson.
Yeah, Randy Johnson. We did hit good. We had the first 2 packs, or first 2 boxes. We got 2 Randy Johnsons in each one, right?
Yeah.
This one we didn't get them. So just goes to show you're not going to get the players you
But we still
want.
got much better.
Yep. You're not going to get everybody every single time because there's not. I think Donruss has 660 cards in their set,
Dad.
and there's 32 packs. No, 36 packs at what is it? I don't even know. 15 cards per pack.
This is the puzzle we might make.
Yeah, 15 picture cards.
The puzzle.
So,
This is
all right.
the puzzle.
Well, we'll do a recap video, but anyway, that's our first family pack that we've recorded.
No.
Upload something different. Well, we didn't record the first one. We just wanted to see how it went, and you guys liked it, so we did it again. And who knows, maybe we'll do one more, because we have one more box of this, and we have a box of 1990 Upper Deck that we've got to break at some point. So, anyway, I'll put this all together, do a recap video, and that'll be coming next. All right, here's the full recap for what we pulled out of box number 2. Will Clark MVP, Wally Joyner, Alan Trammell. Actually got 2 Alan Trammels. Andre Dawson. Another Andre Dawson. And another Andre Dawson. A couple Darryl Strawberries. Oral Hershiser. Joe Carter. Oral Hershiser 59 and counting. Edgar Martinez times 1 times 2 times 3. 3 Edgar Martinez. Jose Canseco 40-40. Dante Bichette. Pulled out of Matt Williams. Jay Buhner. 3 Ken Caminidis. Jack McDowell. Actually, there's 2 Jack McDowells. I'm just going to skip it. Bruce Sutter. Cecil Fielder. A couple Jesse Barfields. Tom Glavine. Greg Maddux. Roger Clemens. Barry Larkin. Mark Grace. Will Clark. Roberto Alomar. A couple Ricky Hendersons. One, 2, and 3 Jack Morrises. So I got the box up here to stop the glare. Got a couple Dave Stewarts. A couple Bo Jackson. I'd been almost shut out from Bo Jackson. He's in the first one, so I kind of forgot he was in the set. George Brett, Mike Schmidt, Kirby Puckett, Alan Trammell, Goose Gossage, couple Jamie Moyer, what do we got here? Bobby Bonilla, another Bobby Bonilla, Dave Parker, couple Tony Gwynns, Jim Rice, Tim Raines, Eddie Murray, Mark McGuire, 2 Jose Cansecos, couple Don Mattingly's, Fred McGriff, couple Wade Boggs, couple Dennis Eckersleys, Danny Tartable, Wally Joyner, couple Cal Ripkins, Junior that is, couple Greg Olsons, couple Tom Gordons. He's that guy in my pulls with this that just seem like just jump out every single time I open a pack. I feel like I have a million of him. Sandy Alomar Jr. rookies, rare rookies. Don Mattingly Diamond King, 2 of them. Fred McGriff, Andres Galarraga, couple Tony Gwynn Diamond Kings, Robin Yount, and a Bobby Bonilla. And then our hits, if you will. Gary Sheffield. This is the 3rd box. We got skunked from that one for the first 2 boxes. We got our Ken Griffey Jr. So we're sitting at two juniors in across 3 boxes. But we were fortunate enough this time to get 3 Craig Biggios. We got, I think, 2 Biggios in each of the first 2 boxes. So I think we're actually up to 7 total out of 3 boxes for Biggio. We also picked up 3 Schillings. We might be up to 5 or something like that across 3 boxes. And then as I always do when any of my kids get involved, I go back through and I check their piles even after I tell them which ones to pull. I ended up finding 2 John Smoltzes that they didn't pull the first time. So we actually, out of this last box, we got 3 John Smoltz cards. So there you go. That's a wrap for box number 2. We'll probably work on Upper Deck 90 next, and then we'll come back to the last Donruss box that I'll open. So anyway, wish you all the best. God bless.